to build Mini Pla. Alright. How's it going there, all my robots, androids, and other mechanoid beings? This is Reska. Finally back, or you may have never noticed I was gone, which is also good. Work got busy, real life got busy, but I'm back. I am going to be finally building my first Mini Pla, which is one that I've been looking forward to getting and building, which is the Super Mini Pla Megazord, or Zoo Ranger Megazord. I am super excited about this. I've only really built the regular Bandai and dabbled in a frame arms girl once, but really looking forward to building this kit. Box art is actually based on the Mighty Morphin Power Rangers box art, although the logos and stuff are not. But as you see here, this is the Bluefin distributor. Got great work. You get all 5 Zords, and almost called them a Zoid. You get all 5 Zords, and they do combine. Really beautiful artwork. Coined. It does have the tank mode and the Megazord with the sword as well. I will not be going through opening up at all the runners and going through them. They are, as you see, I've actually already peeked in. But they are all in here, but they're grouped by Zord because in Japan they were sold individually. But you can see how they even have like the detail. I don't know if you can see this. But yeah, I've already got detail on them. So I'm not going to do some heavy painting, just where I think I can maybe do better than the decals, but some of these decals are so detailed that I'll probably use them. So this is the T-Rex, and then here is the Mastodon. We got the much smaller Pterodactyl. A pretty decent sized kit altogether, if that's going to be the chest. The Triceratops, obviously from the blue. Let's see, it's even got, like, I like that. It's got the separate coloring on the horn already. There's not going to be a lot needed for me to paint. I'm just going to get some details, make sure there's no horrible seam lines. This is a small project, just for me, just to kind of have fun with. And a saber-toothed tiger at last. And then all the different manuals are in here for each of the different kits, plus the how to put the whole thing together as the Megazord. But cool. So, small project, something to take over. I'm still going to be finishing my Justice Gundam. That's my next big paint thing. I've been filming the various stages of that, and I'll have kind of a montage of the process. Not sure if I will do a separate video for the decals or if I'll have just it all in one video. I haven't decided yet. It kind of depends on the length. Don't want to make it too long, but I don't want to make it short. Been doing a lot of short videos. Also still plan on building the Leo, but that's become a bigger project, so I want to finish the Justice Gundam before I move on to the Leo. But anywho, I'm going to snap build this together, and we'll go from there. See you guys.